Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Students, how are you? Students, we welcome all of you in our Tamam Education Hub. Dear students, today we are going to learn the subject of basic cost accounting, in which we have a problem which is belong to the materials costing and accounting. Students, let's start to read this problem carefully, and after that we try to solve this problem in simplest manner. Students, let's start problem number 8.14, which is taken from the book of Professor Suhail Afzal. Students, rework on defective production. Lahore Enterprises received an order for material of manufacture of 500 units of their product Y from FF company. Flowing costs were incurred for filling the order. Students, Lahore Enterprises is a manufacturing company which took a order 500 units of its product Y from FF company. Students, firstly we have to read the initial cost which belong to the direct material cost, direct labor cost, factory overhead applied rate was 50% of direct labor cost. Additional costs incurred for rework on 50 units found defective are as follows. The rework cost about direct material cost rupees 2000, direct labor cost rupees 2000, and factory overhead 50% of direct labor cost. Students, the requirement is prepare journal entries to record completion for the order when job is charged with the cost of defective work. The second requirement is job is not to charged. Students, there are two ways to charge the river cost. The first way is river cost charge to the DAD job, in which the defective units are found at the time of quality control department, and on the other hand, the river cost, which is the additional cost to used in defective units, is the factory overhead control. Friends, we have two journals here. First journal is cost of rework is charged to the job, and second is cost of rework is charged to the factory overhead control. Students, now we pass the initial entries firstly, which is belong to the materials, labor and FOH here, which is given in the problem. 25,000 is the direct material cost to produce 500 units. Working process, 50,000 rupees as a labor, same as working process FOH is the 50% of direct labor cost. It means that we have to take 50% on the labor cost here, which is the amount is 25,000 rupees here. 25,000 rupees here. Now students, against these we have to enter as a material 25,000 rupees. The payroll for labor is 50,000 rupees, and FH applied is the 25,000 rupees. Now same as we have to pass the initial entries in the second journal, which is maintaining the river cost to charge factory overhead control here. The same entry will be passed as the initial stage, 25,000 as a material cost, 50,000 as a labor cost, and the 25,000 rupees as a FH cost. Same as material which is sent to production is the 50,000 rupees. Payroll is the 25,000 rupees is the material which is sent to the production. Payroll as a labor cost, this is the amount 50,000 rupees here, and the FH applied is the 25,000 rupees, which is the 50% of the direct labor cost. Students, this is our initial entries which has been passed in the both ledgers, like as cost charge to job and cost charge to the factory overhead control here. Now we have to pass the next entries as a rework cost, the material cost in additional work is 2,000 rupees here, working process labor is 2000 rupees, and the working process as a factory overhead is the 50% of direct labor cost, which is the 1000 rupees. Now students, 2000 rupees, 2000 rupees and 1000 rupees. Students, in this journal we have to charge additional cost on given job. Now we pass the entry in second journal. Here the river cost is charged to the factory work control. Here this is the amount 5000 rupees against material 2000 rupees, payroll as a labor 2000 rupees, and factory overhead applied is 1000 rupees here. Friends, these are the entries which has been passed against the rework cost charge to the factory work control. Here now, at the time of completion of the work, the entry will be passed here again. Finished goods. Now we have to add up the working process, the initial cost, and the working process in the additional cost work. For this purpose, we have to add up the materials. 27,000 rupees here, 52,000 rupees here, 27,000 rupees here again. The sum up is 1,05,000 rupees here. Now in second journal, when additional cost is charged to the factory overhead control, we have to credit working process account with the initial cost here, like as 25,000 rupees as a material, 50,000 rupees as a labor, as a payroll, and the 25,000 as a factory overhead applied here. The sum up is 1 lakh rupees. Students, you are seeing here in both the journal. In first journal, the cost is 1,05,000 rupees against the production of 500 units, and on the other hand, in second journal, the cost is 1 lakh rupees against the 500 units which has been produced. What is the difference between in both costs? When additional cost is charged to the production, then the cost will be increased. When cost increase, the unit price of also increase. On the other hand, when additional cost is charged to the factory overhead control, then the cost is not increased. This is the initial cost which has incurred at the time of starting the production. Students, then the cost price per unit is low. You are seeing here, when additional cost is charged to the production, the per unit cost is 210 rupees, and when the cost is charged, additional cost is charged to the factory overhead control, then the per unit cost is 200 rupees. Students, economically, if you charged then it is a huge drawback against it. You are not staying in the market, because in market there is a hard competition among the industry, and consumers are also rational. Consumers purchase quantity of production where the cost is low. Students, when your cost price per unit is increased, then you cannot stay in the market and you may face the loss. On the other hand, if you charge river cost or additional cost in the factory over control, then the per unit cost price of the product is low, so you can stay in the market and consumer can purchase your product. Friend, this is the main way. Either the company has to charge the additional cost or river cost in the production or in the factory under control. This is a company policy, and company has to follow that policy, which is better for them. Students, I think you understand and clear about this problem. If you have any doubts, queries and difficulties which are faced by you in this problem, please contact me on my channel comments box and describe your problem. So I will try my best to remove your doubts immediately. Friends, this is the most important question which is came in the exam rapidly. Students, you have to make so many time exercise about this problem so that you can learn these problems clearly. Friends, if you understand these problems, please subscribe my channel, like my video and share my video to other friends. Students, very thankful to you. If you do this kind work, thanks. Allah Hafiz.